Hello friends, welcome you in Research Needs. Today we are going to see in this video what is Mann-Whitney test or what is Mann-Whitney Wilkinson test. Whatever the phrases are written here that comes under Mann-Whitney U test. So in this video we are going to explain with the one example and see that what is Mann-Whitney U test. So before we are going to see this, we have here one example we are going to take is urine analysis. In it is a kind of qualitative test which we are going to plot in graphite prism. So these tests mainly used in toxicological test while we are doing 28 days study. In that, while we are doing an urine analysis, that time we have to uh, sometimes what happen in samples, urine sample, we finding some blood cells, and that blood cells we are going to analyze how in two groups. Here we have two groups, group 1 and group 2, and we have taken 5 animals in that, and group 1 will be served as a control and group 2 will be as usual the test experiment, and that man-Whitney test applicable only for two groups. So that's why we have taken here two groups, and here I'm going to show you some observations in that we are taking some example in this means kind of reading, like it is a negative, means group 1 animals has shown negative results, and group the second number animal has shown 20 number of blood cells, and again 3 number of animals showed negative, and number 4 animals shown 10, and 10 number of blood cells, and lastly in 5 it is negative again. So this is the observations we have seen in group 1 G1. So I have written here G1, and again I am writing here G2. In group 2 we have assumed some readings so that we can represent you how to draw this graph. So here the all readings are assumptions, so I'm writing blindly, like number of cells in group 2, how many cells are there. So like here I have written for one number of one animals for 10, 5, 20, for 20, 30, 40. This observation we have to write it again rank wise, so that it will be easily understand to you how we are going to plot this graph in graphite prism. So we have to give some ranking of this uh, readings. So we are writing again this negative readings, we are arrange it in ascending order. So a negative group we have taken 0, and 5 number of blood cells we have taken it as a 1, and 10 taken as a 2, and 3 we have means 20 we have taken as a 3, and 30 we have taken as a 4, and 40 number of blood cells we have taken as a 5. So we have arranged, we have given some ranking to all readings. Now we have to arrange it in G1 and G2 according to the observations that is here, it is given here. So negative is we have ranked as a 0, and 20 we have ranked as a 3. Here 40 we have 10, sorry, 10 we have ranked as a 2, and again negative we have ranked as a 0. Here we completed group 1. Likewise we have to again arrange the group number 2. In that we have to give the ranking as the reading. We have the observations. So here 10, tank is ranked as a 2. So we will write here 2, and second animals in that it is 20 around 5. So we will write here 1 because we have ranked is 1. Again 20, so we have to write here 2. Accordingly, all readings observation we will write according to their ranking. Now we have completed both the groups readings as per ranking. Now we will put these readings in graphed basis. So we will copy it and we will paste in graphed basis. We will start it. We have to select column option, and as it is earlier default setting, we have to choose and create the graph. In that graph, we have to put the readings G1 and G2. We have selected and we have to paste that data we have copied from the Excel here, and we will put it in graphic vision. Now we have to analyze this data. We analyzed it and we have to select the t-test non-parametric, and again we have to choose here the second options non-parametric option man-whitney. You can see at last one the selected part chosen and OK. We will found the result here. It is showing no, p-value is no, and na not significant. So our data we have compared according to the with control, and it is not significant. So it is beneficiary that the drug has some not no means it has not any toxic effect. Here we have got the graph. You can arrange it in some other way also. Mainly it arranged in bell-shaped graph, but here we have drawn bar graph. It is showing comparison of two groups G1 and G2, and here we can easily represent as man-Whitney test. Ultimately we get the graph and it is a result. If it is significant, we can put here stars, while comparison it's showing some significant p-values above 0.05. So we can here we can put here means a star. At last, how you found my first video in English? Tell me. If you sound it is interesting, then tell me. I will make some more videos in English only. Thank you for watching Research News. Thank you very much.